Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used 2019 edition Audi SQ7 Vorsprung tiptronic, complemented in the Daytona grey paintwork, contrasting well with your black styling pack. Delivering a whopping 435 PS and housing your powerful TDI engine, this is an ideal spacious upgrade for those wanting to cover extra miles, with plenty of advanced features including your HD matrix LED headlights and the protection of your parking sensors, camera and even your electronic folding tow bar for those adventure seekers. Further convenience is enhanced with your electronic powered tailgate, revealing more than enough boot capacity, including the added bonus of a total of 7 seats, which can be transformed in seconds with your electronic release adjustments. As you can see, there is more than enough space to easily accommodate all of your travel essentials, alongside being finished in a luxurious leather upholstery, continuing throughout the vehicle. And in the rear, you do also have access to your power outlets and full zone climate controls with your 2 outer heated seats for the winter. And the front seats do also come electronically adjustable with a memory feature to get to that required position with ease, alongside access to your dual central touchscreens, your S-Impulse badging, and even a full panoramic glass sunroof to really open up the vehicle. Moving on to the steering wheel, you do have an array of audio functions, including your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, including all of your vital driving data, audio and navigation, with the added bonus again of your speed limiter, adaptive cruise control, and even your head-up display as well. Moving across, you do have similar access again with your navigation for unfamiliar areas and wide selection of audio, which you can enjoy via your Bose sound system for that premium touch. And of course, you do have your Bluetooth connectivity as well. For a tailored driving experience, you do also have access to Audi Drive Select, complete with your off-road and all-road driving modes, with, as previously shown, you do also have your 360 camera system and parking sensors for those difficult manoeuvres, followed just below by your climate control options with your ventilated and heated seats so you are prepared for any season, followed by your hidden cup holders and wireless charging pocket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.